discussed how the Lord is impartial, how He answers the prayers of both the householder and the thief. Here this is elaborated on, because no one is actually an enemy to the Lord. No one is an object of worship for the Lord. Yet we find that in the Vedas, sometimes Krishna protected Arjuna, and sometimes even Krishna worshipped, or Ram worshipped Shiva. So how these appear to be apparent contradictions. How to understand this? The point is that everyone has certain duties. Just like a parent has a duty to protect the children, or a husband to protect the wife, or the wife to serve the husband, or the children to listen to the parents. Everyone has got certain responsibilities. They don't do that, actually, they get deprived of the auspicious nature of their life they were expecting. However, Krishna, since He's everything and He has everything, He has nothing to attain. So it's not like He needs something. He's not in any kind of need. He's Atma Rama, totally self-satisfied. Still, Krishna acts sometimes as if He was obliged. Sometimes He just acts totally independent. This is their nature. He doesn't actually owe anything. So Krishna, He's very personal. He'll reciprocate with someone according to how they reciprocate with Him. If someone serves Him over a long period of time, very sincerely, then Krishna can recognize this as a devotee very easily. So in other words, why does the Lord give special attention to His devotees if He's impartial to everyone? Because the devotees are always anxious for His special attention. They're praying for that constantly. So He offers to everyone, they can all get the same facility. But since the devotees are the only one to take it, they're very fortunate. So that's why this is all called a pastime for the Lord. He's totally independent, and what He's doing, it's not because of any kind of obligation. He's simply doing it out of His own sweet will, to demonstrate some of His transcendental qualities to the world. It's like Lord Caitanya. He is totally independent. He had a beautiful wife, a loving mother. When He snapped His finger, 200,000 people will come running. The whole Navadip is under His control. He has everything that someone could want. But He desired to go out and preach all over India. He wanted that people would not try to control Him. So He decided to take sannyas. Now, He knew His mother wouldn't give permission. He knew His wife would never allow. So in the middle of the night, one day, He only told 5 people He was going to do this. Middle of the night, He left. This drama of Lord Caitanya leaving His home has been covered by many dramatic writers, playwriters. Any production show that the extreme separation of Lord Chaitanya's intimate devotees, His mother and wife, felt when He left.